condolences from myself, my family, and the great people of Vihiga, who Senator Onyonka is very close to the people of Vihiga and the family as well. I just want to say that the people of Vihiga, we will be joining you in Kisii to celebrate the life of Mother Teresa. And Senator Onyonka and myself, we have similar characteristics. We served in the National Assembly together, and now we are serving in the Senate together. And you know, recently, we faced similar circumstances with him. So I pray for you, my friend, even as you mourn your mother. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Asante sana, Senator Osotsi. Kumalizia, ningependa kusema asanteni wote kwa kuja. Kuna wengine pengine sikuweza kutaja majina yao. Tunashukuru.